In this video, I will be showing you how to listen to Spotify offline. If you have an internet connection, music streaming services like Spotify put millions of songs at your disposal. Download the songs to your device for offline listening instead. If you need save data or if you want to listen to a playlist on a plane or during a commute with plenty of empty spaces. So, how are we going to do that? First, you need to launch your Spotify application. Now tap your library to see your playlist or to see your songs. For example, you want to download this playlist here. So as you can see, there is a download option here. Now all you have to do is to tap that one and you can download all the songs on this playlist. But unfortunately, I'm not using a premium plan, so I can't do that. But for those people who are using premium plan, then you can download all the songs on this playlist and you can play them during offline or without internet connection. Now you can also search the specific song if you want, and if you can see that song on your playlist, you just have to tap Taylor Lover, for example, like that. And if you tap this one, the first one here, then you can see also the download option. So all you have to do is to click download and then you can add this to your list so that while offline, you can still listen to the song. Always take note that you should avail the premium plan in order for you to do that. Okay. Also, you can click this add to playlist and then tap the name of the playlist, or you can just create a new one if you want. If you don't want this song to be included to one of your existing playlists, then you can create a new playlist. Okay, so another thing is that if you want to listen to some podcast, all you have to do is to search for podcast here. Then you can see different podcast here which you can download. Okay, so you can listen to any of this while you are offline. For example, this one. So all you have to do is to follow this instruction. Go to your settings and allow download using your cellular. That's it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.